Hi everyone, let's make this lovely crochet butterfly. It's super easy and beginner friendly, so grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. Start by making a slip knot and chain 8. So we make 8 chains now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Insert the hook in the first stitch and yarn over and pull through to make a slip stitch. Row 1 is done. Let's start row 2. Chain 3. This chain 3 will count as our first double crochet. Next stitch, let's make an actual double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in this gap, grab the yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. This chain 3 is counted as the first double crochet and this is the second double crochet. Now chain 2. Again make 1 double crochet. Make another double crochet and chain 2. For this row we will continue to follow this pattern, 2 double crochets and 2 chains. Now we have these clusters and then 2 chains, clusters and 2 chains. We will continue the same pattern until we have 8 clusters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have 8 clusters now. Let's chain 2 to complete this row. We started this row with 3 chains. Insert the hook in the third chain, yarn over and pull through to make a slip stitch. Chain 1 and snip off the excess yarn and pull through. We don't have to sew in the yarn tail. We will hide it as we crochet the next row. For the next row, you can see this gap between the 2 double crochets that we made and add the new color. Add the new color like this, tie a knot to secure it in place. We will work these yarn tails in as we crochet the next row. Insert the hook between the 2 double crochets. Make a slip stitch. Before we start, place the yarn tails like this to hide them. Now yarn over, insert the hook in this chain 2 gap and make a double crochet. Insert the hook in the same gap, make a double crochet again. We need to make 6 double crochets in this gap. 6 double crochets are done. It should look like this. Next, insert the hook in this gap between the double crochets. Make a slip stitch. Now in the next gap, we work 6 double crochets. Insert the hook in the next gap and make a slip stitch. In the next gap, we make 6 double crochets. And slip stitch in the next gap. You can see the scallop design now. We will continue working in the same pattern for this row. It should look something like this, like a flower. To finish this row, insert the hook here and make a slip stitch. Now chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now fold it like this. Fold it away from you and wrap the chain like this. Now insert the hook under the chain and make a slip stitch. Chain 1 and snip off the excess yarn. Now we'll hide this yarn tail like this. The butterfly is almost done. Make a knot like this. Make a knot on this side too. You can glue on a magnet here or attach a safety pin to make it a brooch. You can also make a bunch of these and attach them together to make a belt or curtains. The options are endless. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Show your support by liking this video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, happy crocheting. Bye guys.